Hey, what is going on, guys? Bagos Gaming here, and welcome back to another video of Adopt Me. I'm not playing with sister. I just feel like it's good game, so I play. I need adopted, but nobody likes me. No, I never said yes. I need parents. I need parents. I'm sick. Because apparently we have the coronavirus. What is in here? It's nice to see you again. Healing your family. Wow, I'm healed. I am lonely. Stop wasting battery. I am lonely. I mean, who even joins this game to adopt children? Like, honestly. I'm just going to go out on the streets and just say, I am lonely. I need a shower. Everybody needs a shower now. Slowly. I need parent. Give me your head. I'm just going to go up to a random person. Give me your head. Wait, they can do that? Buy a tiny gift. Let's just shake it. Oh. Gives me you. I want the mobile house. I want the mobile house. Like, look how spacious it is. Common, uncommon, rare, ultra rare. I have an ultra rare item. I really don't want to talk to you right now because of where that is located. Need a parent. I need a parent. Wow, being a parent just automatically kills you. Why does that explain life? You're a parent. Die. Okay, now I will do the adopting. Who needs adopted? Who needs adopted? Who needs adopted? Ow. There are always kids in school. It's the school. There should be good and nice to. Well, no, I'm not paying you for spam. Just bring your pets next time. Let me just get him out of my backpack. Train egg. Bounce. Only pets can use this. Bounce, 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 bounce. Good cat. That's it for now. Tap on your pet to try new tricks. Want to train your animal? Tricks. Bounce. Great. Cat. You are no longer thirsty. Come on, cat. Let's go. Let's ride on my normal-sized motorcycle. I'm excited to see how this looks. Ah, no, this looks wrong. This doesn't look like the motorcycle. This isn't the motorcycle. This isn't the Minimobile. Wait, what is you? Free download things. Okay, cat. Cat, where are you? Egg. Where are you, Egg? Crap, I think I forgot to make you stop eating. Feed. Eat the food. You're healthy now. Now I have money. Now you're tired. So now let's just get on the Minimobile. And go to the pool. Because you're not tired. I'm not letting you. One of my favorite things used to be just exploring map. Exploring where you shouldn't be able to in maps. But it proved to be useless this time. So let's just... How do we get to the top? I want to be on... I want to slide. So I'll come back to you when I'm at... Okay, I'm almost at the top. Let's not slide down. Yeet, 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 yeet. I made it up here. Don't think there's any other way to not to get up here. I think the only way is the way I came. And of course this game has good borders. But let's slide. Why? Oh God, somebody help. I think I have multiple concussions. Yeet. I've always wanted to see where that boat goes. So I think I'm going to go to the boat. Help! Okay, I'm safe now. Why am I over here again? I can't remember. Yes, it is time for school. We should probably go to school. I want to train your cat. But it's too young. Come back again when it ain't so little. You know what? Let's just take advantage of their free food and drink here. Cat. Cat, eat the food. Eat the food, cat. Okay, stop. Now you sleep. I may even do another video based on this one person. Online dating. Well, that looks like it's gonna end the video there. Looks like I better end that video here. You know what I mean. See you in the next one. Goodbye.